That's that Fuss Entertainment. Let's go. No. Yeah. Trying to make this money stretch 1 week to the next. This little petite check get spent in the sex, so you get some work and get on your look alert. Police wanna snatch up kids, especially little black Africans. They get stashed in the van, craps in his pants. They wanna call Jay Bless, but I'm not gonna bail you out. No way, homie, come through. You wanna get chopped up like Shinobi? You don't know me. Get hit with the AK. If you can be seen, you can be shot. If you can be shot, then you can be killed. And real deal, homeboy, I come through and kill you for real. That's a real deal. I get money and they call me Black African when my skin's brown. I guess I got a tan now.